women's suffrage, racism, injustice, and freedom. These are some of the civil rights linked to the struggle for equality and aim to secure the status of equal citizenship in a democratic nation. Teaching civil rights movement and civil rights figures are essential to ensure that history is relevant to students in an increasingly diverse nation. Teachers of social studies has a civic and moral imperative to ensure that all children learn about the history of civil rights movement. The reviewer chose the lesson Who is Your Hero to review for teaching and learning about individual identity and development. The lesson was created by Lin Shuali for the 5th grade. The project idea is to create a multimedia presentation that informs the class about civil rights figures, their speeches and quotes, and how these leaders have impacted the lives of the people. Some of the civil rights figures are Susan Anthony, Rosa Sparks, Lyndon Johnson, Martin Luther King, and John F. Kennedy. The first entry of event is taking the students to a field trip to a local civil rights historical site in which will be the basis of the multimedia presentation. The presentation is aimed to detail the life of a civil rights figures and their impact to history. In the beginning, the class will create a KWL chart to show what they know and want to know about the civil rights leaders and the movement in general. KWL is an introductory strategy that provides a structure for recalling what students know about the topic, noting what students want to know, and finally listing what has been learned and is yet to be learned. The content standards and objectives are to research significant leaders in the civil rights movement and to interpret quotes of famous Americans from various periods. As evidence of success in achieving the identified learning target, the students will use the civil rights historical figure graphic organizer to demonstrate a note-taking skills and to reflect on group progress. They will also complete a daily group learning lab. Using various learning skills and technology tools to create and publish electronic products include audio, video, pictures, clip art, movie maker programs, and web page design software to communicate with various audiences inside and outside the classroom. Multimedia rubric is also an evidence of success for this project. For feedback and comments, the project will help the students know and appreciate more about the lives, contribution, struggles, and impacts of these historical figures in history. It also honed the students' skills in data gathering about the topic and turning this to a technology-based presentation. The project also awakened the spirit of patriotism, justice, and equality to each student. The use of technology helps the student to make history a more interesting subject subject and easy to present historical facts and figures. The use of rubric tools allow the students to grade the project easier, but it also helped to guide the students on their expectations on the outcome of the project. The use of multimedia in preparing projects like this helps the student to be more participative due to the fact that most of the young people at present are technologically equipped. Suggestion for adaptation in the local social studies classroom objectives are to further understand and appreciate the struggle of Filipino civil rights advocates in the struggle for fair treatment and equality, and to improve the thinking and reasoning skills of the students in creating thoughtful ideas and solutions. It will also awaken the social perspective of the students and make them responsible not only for themselves but also for others. It will take time to finish the project, and limited internet access in the school are some of the lapses to make this project works in the local social studies classroom. Thank you for listening.